County, King, Washington. The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of north-central King County moved away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, roads, and normally dry roads is likely. The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially in and around these areas. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time Tuesday for the following counties: Washington. Flash flood warning for the following counties in Washington, King, and Snohomish. The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a flash flood warning for the Bold Creek Ring Scar in northern King County inlet, central Washington, southeastern Snohomish County inlet, central Washington, until 5:15 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:20 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain over the Bold Creek Ring Scar. Between 0.1 and 0.2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.2 to 0.4 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Bold Creek burn scar. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain produces flash flooding in and around the Bold Creek burn scar. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Bold Creek burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Sacramento and Bering. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the Bold Creek burn scar. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you encounter flood waters, climb to safety. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:15 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington, King, and Snohomish.